What's happening, guys? Welcome back to Review Diesel. We recently flew out to Phoenix to recover the bus for Power Hungry Performance, and on the way home we had a chance to stop and see the folks at Complete Performance. Paul and Chris have been friends of mine for many years, and they've kind of shifted focus. When I met them years ago, they were just kind of a all-around online retail store. They've always been big on merch. They got some really cool shirts and stuff like that, really cool hats. And what they were explaining to me on my most recent trip to Texas is that they are focusing really hard on early model Fords. So like 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. A little bit of the 99 to 03, just because there's some overlap there. But one of the things that they showed me when I was there, and it's something that I needed for my personal OBS, so it made sense to grab one and not only do a video for you guys on this channel, but also do maybe like an install video or something down the road. But this is a replica windshield washer fluid reservoir. So from the factory, these things have just gotten pretty scarce, hard to find. You could maybe find one in a real small mom and pop's Ford store that didn't do a ton of volume, but most of the bigger Ford stores can't get a hold of these, or they just don't have any more on the shelf. And so you've got some aftermarkets that have picked them up, O'Reilly's, Napa, Rock Auto, stuff like that. Most of those aftermarkets are pretty chintzy Chinese knockoff looking stuff. And so Complete Performance went out and bought up every factory OEM Ford one that they could get their hands on, sent that to a manufacturer, plastic injection mold manufacturer of their choosing. And the reason they tried to buy up all those is there's just little tiny imperfections, a little bit, mounting tabs might be a little longer, shorter, holes might be misaligned. So they wanted to get as many different versions of this as they could to their manufacturer to make sure this replica was absolutely perfect. And so you can't see it very good, but it actually says Complete Performance right there. And then it's got the windshield washer fluid writing just like your OEM one. It's got the provision for the sensor and everything. And I can't wait to get this thing installed. Mine has turned yellowish brown. It's ugly. It's cracked. I can fill it up. And it's got a crack somewhere around this seam because I lose windshield washer fluid immediately after filling it up. So this is something I really needed. It's something that I'm going to enjoy putting on and actually having functional windshield washer fluid squirters again. So if you guys are rebuilding an old OBS, that is Complete Performance's entire focus now. They're trying to come out with products as they're restoring some OBS trucks of their own. Things that they can't find in the market will spur them to immediately get some production going. And they're using a couple different avenues, but really good quality stuff. We're going to do a review on their third brake lights. So keep an eye on the channel, like, subscribe. If you need one of these, let us know. We're going to be drop shipping these. If we sell enough of them, we'll just do a big stocking order and have these things on the shelf for you. So windshield washer fluid reservoir for your 94 to 97 OBS. Check it out. Check out Complete Performance and let us know if there's a part that you need in your restoration that you're working on, and we'll put a bug in their ear and see if we can't get that made for you.